Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are cooking sweet and sour fish fillet. So let's start cooking. Over here we have 300 grams of fish fillet. This is the frozen flounder fish. So make sure you dab them really dry before you cook it, otherwise it will become very fluffy inside and it don't give you the nice texture that we are looking for. You can use any other kind of fish that you prefer, not a problem. So let's start marinating the fish. A generous dash of pepper, white pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a thumb size of ginger grated. I'm going to squeeze out the juice. Now the juice is to kill any fishiness if there's any, and of course to give it a little very warm kind of a taste on the fish, which is very nice. Set this aside and mix this up well. Put this aside first while we prepare the batter. There's 200 milliliter of plain water inside here. I'm going to mix in 3 tablespoons of plain flour, as well as 1 tablespoon of potato starch or potato flour. Mix them up well and pour them over the fish. Mix them up well again. Make sure there's no lump. We don't need to have our batter very thick. It's just going to lightly coat the fish because I don't want this dish to be just full of flour taste. So it's going to be kind of watery for this, just to lightly coat the fish. So we set this in the fridge for 15 minutes before we fry them up. We are going to deep fry the fish as well as some of the condiments. In a pan, heat up some oil. I have with me over here 1 bell pepper. I've cut into wedges like this, the seed and cut into wedges like this. I'm just going to run them through oil. Why am I doing this? Because I want the outer color to look very kind of glossy and it will look very nice in the presentation. That's a while already, Okay, you can see that the color is very nice now. We just put this off. I'm going to fry the fish now. Be careful when you put it in because this is very hot, the oil. I'm using a non-stick pan. This granite coating. Basically, for me personally, I feel that this is a very nice kind of coating. It feels more hardy to me, and it's also non-stick. You fry this until it's golden brown. You can fry this in batches because I don't have so much oil inside my pan, so I'm going to do 2 batches. Move them around gently so that they don't stick to each other. They are about done already. You can see the color has changed to a light, beautiful golden brown. Just need about 1 minute or so, and we can continue with the second batch. I'm going to scoop them up. You can see the color is very nice now. Right, golden brown is what we want to achieve. So we scoop this out and we'll continue with the second batch. In a heated pan, add in some oil. We're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 whole onion sliced. Fry this for a while first. When the onion has started to soften, add in the pineapple. I'll cut them into wedges. This is approximately about 1/4 of a pineapple. One tomato, I've taken out the seed, cut into wedges like this, put it in. Mix, add in 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of plum paste. Stir them all in. Mix them up well. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a little taste. tastes very good. And now, just to add more of a sourness to this dish, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This will be very, very nice. Put in the capsicum. Thicken up the sauce with cornstarch solution. To the thickness that you like. Now the important thing is the sauce cannot be too watery, otherwise your fish will not have this crispiness. Now when the sauce is boiling, put in the fried fish. Mix them up well. Make sure every piece is coated with this beautiful sauce. Turn off the fire and let's serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our sweet and sour fish fillet. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.